Hi guys, Rick Day with Cowtown USA, here with a brand new all Lakota, all aluminum, 8 wide, 11 foot short wall with a slide. Has a power awning. It's your metallic gray. It does have your dual hydraulic jacks, dual batteries, dual propane. It's got your outside water spigot here. I'm just going to take you on the inside. Fold down camper step. Okay, your fridge is on the back side of this, and the first thing you're going to notice when you walk in, how pretty the floor is. Okay, I'm going to take you here, and I want you to see what a lot of people don't see until they buy them. The depths of these steps. I mean, you could do, see, that's my happy dance. Lots of room. Lots of room. Storage, soft shades, flat screen TV. Alright, this is your AM/FM stereo, inside-outside speakers. Well, one of the big things on these trailers is storage. That's another thing that people don't realize till they get them home. Okay, so you have storage here, nice big hanging closet. Let's just take you right in here to the bathroom. Okay, let's get this passed. Okay, nice big hanging closet. Another big deep hanging closet. I tend to move fast and I don't want to do that, so I'm going to make it purposely slow down. You have a panel door here, so it slides, not something that goes one way or another to where people have to step back for you to get in or out of the bathroom. Let's talk about this frosted glass in the shower. Okay, got a deadbolt here and you pass through the door. Okay, comes with your vanity, nice mirror, frosted shower glass. Spin this around. Here again, you can see how pretty the floor is. Crank up vent here in the bathroom. Alright, couch makes into a bed. Comes with a matching table, or this one does anyway. Got your slide out there. Got your separate lighting up here in the ceiling, which we don't have turned on. Turn that on for you. See if that. Oh yeah. Soft shades here. Nice covered valances. Same way up over the bed. Now it's got your big fridge. That's a big deal, guys. That's one of the #1 things that people request that know what to look at horse trailers is they want the big refrigerator. Freezer on top side, gas and electric. This has got it. Microwave oven. Slow down here for you. Gas stove, dual sinks. Here's your control for your ducted AC. A lot of them don't have ducted AC. This has got it. So you have ducted AC and ducted furnace. Kind of give you another look-see. And the steps. I know I already talked about this once, but I'm gonna set my foot up here. That's how deep and that's how wide. So I mean, I can turn my carcass around here and have a good seat too. So it works out real well. I'm going to walk you back through in here to the horse compartment. You got a full escape door over here. Alright, then you got a removable stud divider. You just move this out of the way. You're fully insulated. Got your drop down door, so you have a huge ventilation here behind your horses. Double wall, rubber line, rubber mats in the floor. Collapsible rear tack. Saddle racks are adjustable. If you want them that high, you can leave them that high, or if you just want one in there, you can adjust it, remove them, collapse the rear tack, your double wall, insulated in the ceiling, even back here. Have all the controls for your interior dome lights. This is your LED. See that? And then your interior. As well. Nice rubber bumper across the back end of it. Got your mangers, drop down doors, separate face bars, so you can drive down the window or drive down the road. Let's close that. If you want to drive down the road, get a lot of ventilation you can. Don't want so much in the winter time. Slide this, open the windows. Got a marker light here in the middle so you can actually see your fender when you make turns at night. All right, Goodyear, this has been updated to you. Goodyear radials, aluminum wheels, and your nitrogen-filled tires. Now, the big deal on nitrogen-filled tires is that they're telling us they run 30% cooler, will last 30% longer than tires with just air. So that's a big plus, especially on your road. Nobody wants tire problems on the road with a load of horses. Stainless steel, I mean that's stainless. Grease fittings on your hinges. Just things like this from Lakota. Alright, there you can see the slide out. City water connection, so you hook a water hose up here. This is your landline. Open that up. Your landline is included. Alright, up here in front, if you're going to a place that has no water, you can open this and fill this tank and haul your water with you. Okay, aluminum frame, power jack, not just power jack, but hydraulic, dual hydraulic jacks. So back up here, one more shot of it. Power awning. If I didn't mention that, shame on me. Your outside speakers. Roll your awning out, would you? I mean, it is just absolutely that simple, guys, to do this. It's a one-person deal. You should never leave your camp with your awning out, because you never know when that wind's going to come up. So if you're going to be gone for 5 minutes, roll it in. It's just that simple. It'll save you a lot of heartache, heartbreak. It is just absolutely that simple. So give us a call at Cowtown USA, 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. Ask for Jack or ask for Sean, and they'll be tickled to get to help you. Thank you, guys. Bye.